Friendsgiving is one of those cozy, heartwarming occasions your customers love to celebrate. And that means it's the perfect time to offer a new seasonal design in your shop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a minimal and elegant Friendsgiving menu template that your customers will want to grab for their dinner parties and gatherings. First, let's pick a pre-made design. You can always start from scratch, but honestly, why would you? Templates pre-made designs are already beautiful and thoughtfully made, so you can skip the heavy lifting and focus on giving it your own unique touch. Okay, this is the one we'll start with. With just a few small tweaks, we'll completely transform this design into something new that fits the Friendsgiving vibe perfectly. Let's start by removing the names, initials, or any details that don't fit this theme. Clean, simple, and versatile designs always sell best. Now, I'll replace the heading with thankful. Next, I'll duplicate this text box, place it right under the heading, and type Friendsgiving 2025. Let's move things around a bit to create more space. That's better. Now we'll go to Elements, Illustrations, and type Thanksgiving. I'm looking for something subtle, just a small touch to keep things minimal, but still festive. Let's see. Yep, this is the one. Let's add it in and move a few elements until everything feels balanced. Now for colors, I'll change all the text to a warm brown. It gives that cozy seasonal feel that customers love for fall gatherings. And there it is, a simple, minimal Friendsgiving menu that looks elegant, professional, and ready to sell. Templates like this are perfect for your shop because they fit a specific moment in the season, and people are always searching for designs that make hosting easier and more beautiful. So as you're planning your fall listings, think about how small tweaks like this can help you create new products fast without starting from scratch. Template gives you everything you need to design, customize, and sell templates your customers will love, especially during the holiday season. Ready to create your own? Log into Template today, choose a pre-made design, and start transforming it into your next bestseller. Your customers are already searching. Make sure they find your seasonal designs first.